Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your maths class. In today's maths class, we will learn and revise expanded form and reduced form. We are already done with expanded form and reduced form. So let's take a quick revision. We are doing page number 3 to 32 and 3 33 of your maths books. In expanded form, as I have told you earlier also, we expand the number according to its places. Just like in example 1, the number is 496. So we write ones, tens and hundreds, which tells us the places of these given digits. So now 4 is lying at hundreds place, 9 lies at tens place and 6 lies at ones place. So in this way, we will write expanded form in words as 4 hundreds, 9 tens, 6 ones. The digits which are written here is clearly we can see the places under which they are lying. So we will write expanded form in words this way. If we are asked to write expanded form in numerals form, we do not write these spellings. Instead of these spellings, we will put how many zeros occur in hundreds? 2. So we will put 2 zeros there. 9 tens means it's 90. So we will write 90 here. And 6 ones means 6 multiply 1. So if we multiply any number by 1, we'll get the same number. So we will simply write 6 here. These are the two ways in which we write expanded form in words in numerals. So this is when we are writing the complete spellings, hundreds, tens, ones. This is the expanded form in words. And if we write in numerals, we simply put zeros there. Now coming on writing the reduced form is just opposite of it. Just opposite of means we are already given with this expanded form and we will write the number in this form, in reduced form. So we are given with 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 1 1. Now what we will do is we will write the places here. H, T, O. H means hundreds, T means tens and O means ones. Now look here, with hundreds which digit is given to us? 3. So we will write 3 here below H. Then with tens which digit is given to us? 4. We will write 4 below T. And with 1 is there, so with O we will write 1. The number is 341. This way we will write reduced form. Let's do if the expanded form is given in numerals. Like 200 plus 70 plus 4. Again the same thing. If it is 200, that means this digit is at hundreds place. So we will write it below H. 70 means this digit it has tens place. So we will write it below T. And 4 is at ones place. So this way we will write our reduced form. On page number 32, you are asked to write expanded form in both the ways, in words and in numerals. In words as well as in numerals. I have done here both. Like the first number is 421. So just separate the digits. I have written here places as well, hundreds, tens and ones. So 4 digit is at hundreds place, we will write here. 2 is at tens place, so we will write in next block. And 1 is at ones place, so we will write in next block. 4 hundreds, 2 tens, 1 1. Let me read the next part also for you, B part, which is 365. So 3 hundreds, 6 tens and 5 ones. Students, it's quite easy to understand this ways. Let's understand in the numeral forms also. 400 means 400, 2 tens means 2020 and 1 means only 1. So this is the way of writing expanded form in numerals. Here also 300 means 300, 6 tens means 6060, 5 ones simply 5. So this is the way you will be doing the rest of the parts by yourself. Though I will be sharing the PDF also with you. But do try these questions by your own. On the next page, page number 33, First question here at the top, which is question 2 basically of this exercise. This is reduced form. So simply we will be reducing them. It's 300s. Reduce means what? Compact. To make it short. To make it short. So we will write number in compact form. This is the compact form. So 300s means 3 is at hundreds place. 6 tens means 6 at t place. 3 ones, here 3. 600s, 6. 5 tens means 5 is lying at tens place. 9 ones means at ones place it is 9. But student, there occurs few cases, just like in this case, there is no ones place. There is no ones place in F part, so we will simply put 0 there. We will simply put 0 there. Similarly, we do not have tens part in G part. There is no tens digit. So we will put 0 at tens place here. 0 at tens place. So this is the way of doing the reduced form. Next question is also dealing with the reduced form, which you need to do by your own. 700 plus 20 plus 2. Join them together and write in the reduced form. You will take the first digit 7, 2, 2 and write here 7, 2, 2. In the next one we will take 1, 6, 8. So we will write 1, 6, 8 and the number is 168. I hope you must be finding fun doing these. In the next question 4 and 5, these are the abacus questions which we have done previously also, but we have done at tens places only. Here we will start at hundreds place also. Just count the digits, count the beads here and write the digits here. At H part, H column, there are 5 beads, so we will write 5. Then at T, it is 2. At ones, you can count them, they are 8 in number, so we will write 5, 2, 8. Number in short form, in compact form, in reduced form, it is 5, 2, 8. Now we will write its expanded form, 500, 2020 at tens place, it is 2 and then 8. Then 8. In the next question, we were asked to draw the beads. So it was very easy. 700 means at 100 place we will draw 7 beads. I have told you how many of the times that while drawing the beads, make sure there should not be any space between the consecutive beads. So at hundreds place we will draw 7 beads. At tens place we will draw only 1 bead because it is in 1. At ones place we will draw 3 beads, 1, 2 and 3. So this was your exercise 2.6. We are done with exercise 2.6 through this video. Watch every video carefully. Still you do not get any particular question or topic, just do inquire me on the WhatsApp. Okay students, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video.